everyone, so I went to the store. Before that I actually got a haircut. I'll show you guys. Nothing crazy. I went to Sprouts for the first time, so I'm gonna show you guys everything I got from there. This actually I got it from Grocery Outlet, but blueberries. I got this popcorn. This popcorn is so good, guys. Cheese. Some, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting the name of these. Sweet mini peppers. Powdered sugar. Almond milk, because I love this milk. I prefer this milk over regular milk. Raspberry jam. Honey Hot, I've never tried from this brand. I was like, let me grab it because I like adding sauces to my food. Alfredo sauce, Greek yogurt, vanilla, lemon, and we got these. So I saw these, I was like, let me try them. Con un poco de limón, and I got some bread. So it's actually a different day. I was gonna do it the day that I bought the stuff, but I was like, I'm a little tired, and now it's the next day, and I am tired again. I guess I'm actually gonna be doing a voiceover because this girl cannot multitask at all. But I want to show you guys everything I have here to make the loaf of bread. Sugar, we got the baking soda, powdered sugar, the Greek yogurt, lime. We also got vanilla extract, eggs, salt, flour. We got blueberries, and then I will also need some milk. So I have some cute like little heart containers. I'm gonna be adding some of the ingredients here already, so that when I put everything in the damn bowl to mix up, it's gonna be easier. Yeah, I thought I was doing something wrong, but the lemon was just too soft. But yeah, anyways, I got it to work. It was a different lemon. I'm gonna be adding all the dry ingredients together, mixing it up, and then later on adding the rest of the ingredients. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear